Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yes, I know. I'm dressed as Santa again, minus the beard and hair. I'm done with that. But yeah, it's the Pinter. I just got an email. I had to share this. I'm sorry for anybody who already got one, but that's okay. You're already brewing beer, enjoying it. Yeah, got a new code. Amazing, like not even profitable. You gotta subscribe. So here's the deal. The Pinter, $50 with 2 beer kits of your choice. $50, $49, and 2 kits of your choice. That's right. I'm sorry, but for Christmas deals, if you got anybody who loves craft brewing, craft beer, anything to do with beer, okay? Or ciders or seltzers, and you like the beer, so yeah, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, $50 with 2 kits. How do you get it? Really simple. Go on the website, pick out your cool blue one, the red one. It's like a charcoal, almost black. 3 different colors to choose from. You pick one out. Then what you do is as you go to check out, you have 2 things. One, you pick your 2 kits. You do have to subscribe, but it's 20% off for, let's say you do 12 months, okay? That's like basically for every 5 months you get a free kit if you looked at full price. But you can cancel at any time. You heard me right. You can cancel at any time. This is a cool gift. I'm sorry, whether it's for yourself or for somebody else, that's just cool. $50 and it comes with 2 beer kits. Yeah, code. I'll put it down in the description, but I'll also show you Bitter Reality 100. That's right, because you're getting $100 off. $100. I had to share this. At first they asked me, I'm like, I don't think that's gonna be profitable. He's like, it's fine. He goes, we find most people will keep doing subscriptions because they love the beer. I mean, I already have some videos coming out. I'm good. It's some good beer. Drew might not even get to do a taste test on this one. And yeah, so cheers, happy holidays. And like I said, $49, basically, that's a steal. With 2 beer kits for anybody who's into beer of any kind. Yeah. Check it out, show me some appreciation. Don't forget to subscribe to both the beer and here. Yeah, I had to rhyme. Cheers.